2014 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.